forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right.
Hello guys, thanks so much for clicking. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a short natural looking wig, and I'll be using this hair, it's spring twist, and this dome cap. Though I didn't like this dome cap, I advise you to use this cap. I'll tell you at the end of this video why I prefer this other cap. I first of all turn the cap inside out because I want my wig to look natural. I first of all crochet inside, and then now turn the cap inside out and crochet the outer part of it, just because I want my wig to look so natural. And then this is the hair. You can as well like twist this hair to make this style. I'm going to crochet just like a straight line, and then don't crochet on the band because you might reduce the size of the cap and the cap might not fit.
Don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done.
Once you crochet the hairline, the next step is to turn the cap inside out. Like this is going to make the wig look more natural. Like the hairline will look natural. Don't crochet on the band because again you might reduce the size of the cap. And then I'm going to crochet like just some few pieces on the cap and then sew them.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Kept me waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that white lies perilous. Sweet as poison. Fell ill from your kiss. I got drunk off your demons. One sipping, I'm lovesick. Built a home, turned to ruins. Followed you into the night. Couldn't let you leave, watch you leave on. Nothing less come to life.
So I sew 2 combs on the sides, and then you don't have to sew a band on this cap because you know it's a dome cap, it has a band already.
Every time we say goodbye.
So the reason why I was telling you I prefer this other cap is because, as you can see, the hairline doesn't look that natural. Okay, it looks natural but not perfect as compared to this other one. Like with this hair, I've used this other cap, this hair that is on the dummy, but now the DIY wig, I used the dome cap. So as you can see the difference, like on the hairline, this other one looks so natural. So I still prefer if you just use this other cap, don't use a dome cap for this style.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy.
That was it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.